In this video, I am going to show you how you can reactivate your Facebook account if you have deactivated earlier. Go to the Play Store and download the Facebook app. I have uninstalled the Facebook app and let's install it again in our device. Facebook has installed and now let's open it and reactivate our account. Here insert your login details and tap on login. I have inserted my login details, username and password. Now Facebook will send me a code via WhatsApp because my WhatsApp account is connected with my Facebook account. If your WhatsApp account is not connected with your Facebook, then you may need to type the code from the text message or your email address. You may need to wait a few seconds to get the code. Check your WhatsApp or email or text message to get the code. Or else you can tap on the try another way button to log in via your another device which is connected with your Facebook account. There Facebook will send a prompt. You just need to have to accept that it's you. I will go with WhatsApp because I have deactivated my account and delete it from my other devices. Now let's go and check our WhatsApp to get the message and input the code here to reactivate our account. Let's open WhatsApp. Here in the notification panel you can see WhatsApp has sent the code. I am just typing the code here and then I will tap on continue. It will verify my ownership of the account. Wow, now we are connected and you can save the login details in this app. Allow the permission where it needed and now you can access your Facebook account because it has reactivated. Friends, this is how you can reactivate your Facebook account after deactivating it. It is so simple, you just need to follow the proper steps. If you find any problem reconnecting your Facebook account, you can contact with me. I think I can help you. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching this video.